Alright, good day viewers. I remember my humble self again. Otemu Ogenenyero teaching on YouTube. I encourage you all to subscribe to my YouTube channel at Otemu Mass Success. I am dealing with Bashad. I have dealt with two Bashad. I'm dealing with the third one. And it's a NECO question number 5, 2010. In the table below shows the distribution of scores in percentage obtained by 20 students in a class test. Now, look at the table here, and we have for the table draw the bar chart. Then we are using this table to find the mode, median, and calculate the mean. So I have just drawn the vertical line and the horizontal line, and the scores is in percentage is at the horizontal. The score is in percentage. Then here is the number of students. Is the number of students. That is the number of students. Number of students there is the highest is 6. So I'm taking one of the bar, one of the block, 1 here, 2 here, thick line, I'm using thick line 3, 4, 5, 6. Now, the partial is the distance between each bar must be unique. Now, let me start with 20, and the bar is the same thing too. Distance the same, bar the same. 20 is 5. On that count, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes. I will take here, I will take the bar, I will draw it to 5. I will draw it to 5. We draw the bar to 5. You see the 5 there? We can 5 here. We come here and draw it here. I want to draw it here. Right, is 5. I will complete the bar. That is bar number 1, and is 20. Is 20. So I want to count again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is another bar, and I'm drawing it to 3. And look at 3 here. So I'm taking it to this place. I'm taking it to that place. The next bar is 3. The number of students is 3. Or I use frequency 3. I will close the bar. That one is 25. Now the other one is 30 to 1. 30 to what? To 1. So let me now count again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Look at it. I will draw it from 1. Look at 1 here. The first thick line. The first thick line is 1. Is 1. I'm going to take it here. I'm going to close the bar. Okay, now that is 1, which is 30. So here is 30. The next one is 35 to 6. Look at it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I will draw it to 6. Look at 6 here. Look at 6 there. We draw it to 6. Draw it to 6. Can you see it? Or shift it to the thick line, and also draw that line to 6. So this is the highest bar, which can also be called the mode, is 30. Here is 35. The next one is 40 to 2. Look at 40. Here is it from here to here. I'm drawing it to 2. Now, we draw the bar. You can see it. We draw it to 2. Take to the thick line. Draw it to 2. I will close the bar. I will close the bar. That one is 40. Here is 40. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'll draw this one to 1. Look at 45. Here is 45 to 1. Look at 1 here. The first thick line is 1. Now, I will draw it to 1. Draw it to 1. That is 1. So I will close the bar. Close the bar. While the last but not the least is 50. I will draw it to 2. Look at 2 there. Now, I want to draw it to 2. We draw it to 2. We draw it to 2. So I will close the bar. I'm going to close the bar. So I'm closing the bar now. And this is 2. So that is 50. Now, having done that, if you use your graph board, the graph book, your bar will be unique. This one, those no example will fail you. You'll give your full mark because it's a NECO question. Now, C1, we are asked to find the mode. B1, sorry, not C1. B1, we are asked to find the mode. The mode is the highest bar, and it's 35. Now look at it, the highest frequency, so the mode is 35. B2, we are asked to find the median. The median is n over 2. You can say n plus 1. You can say n plus 1 over 2, the nth of it, So I use n plus 4 times, and it's 20 students. 20 over 2. Meaning that when you add here up, you give you this 20. And 20 over 2 is 10. So let us get the actual median. So you add now 3 plus 5 plus 3 is 8. Plus 1 is 9. So I will take 1 from here to make it 10. So let me asterisk this place. I'm taking 1 from there. 5 plus 3 is 8 plus 1, 9. I will take 1 from here to make it 10. So it is 4 here. Let's come here again. 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 2 is 5. I'm taking 4 from here. So if you count from here, it will end here. If you count from here, it will end here. So the median is also 35. So now we can now calculate the mean. Please permit me, because of the nature of the board, permit me to clean everything. You have stored this answer. Let me clean here and solve again. Now we are asked to calculate the mean. Mean, which is x bar, is equal to sum of numbers over total of numbers. I can use frequency table. I know that there are 2 methods that you can use to do it. I can use frequency table. So let me use this other method I want to use now. So mean is equals to 20 times the number of students, which is 5, plus 25 times 3, this times this, plus 30 times 1, 30 times 1, plus 35 times 6, plus 40 times 2, plus 45 times 1, plus 50 times 2, all over 5, plus 3, plus 1, plus 6, plus 2, plus 1, plus 2, 5, plus 3, plus 1, plus 6, plus 2, plus 1, plus 2. So let us now start to multiply. 20 times 5 is 100. 20 times 5 is 100. So here is 100. This time it was 75. Here 75. 1 plus 1 gives 1 plus 1 times 30 give us 30. 20 times 5 is 100. Then 25 times 3 is 75. Then 30 times 1 is 30. 35 times 6 gives us 210. 210. 20 times 40 times 2 gives us 80. 45 times 1 gives us 45. 50 times 2 gives us 100. Now, all over 20, because there are 20 students in the class. Now, let's add the numerator. 100 plus 75 plus 30 plus 210 plus 80 plus 45 plus 100 give us 640. 640 divided by 20. So let us add again, confirmation. 100 plus 75 plus 75 plus 30 plus 210 plus 80 plus 45 plus 100. It gives us 8. Let's now divide it by 20. Divide the result by 20, it gives us 32. So the mean is 32. So you can use tabular form or you use this method to solve it. You will get the same answer. So I encourage you again to subscribe my YouTube channel at Otemu Math Success. God bless you.